I'm looking out for deals for you at Lowe's. Oh man, they got the Craftsman trade stack tower right here for $169. Was $199, guys. Check it out. Wait, one right behind it. $89.37 for that trade stack right there. That one has a milk crate on top. That's the difference. So here's another one. Same price. Oh wow, guys, $54.98 for that stackable unit right there with a 1/4 inch and 3/8 ratchet and sockets and Allen wrenches. That's a great deal, guys. Rightfully so, they got them locked up here, but for $69 you get the gun chrome metal mechanics tool set right there with a 51 piece. Look at all those sockets. You get metric, SAE, and looks like a 3/8 ratchet. Right down here, you have the 81 piece gunmetal chrome set for $89.98. That one has a 3/8 and 1/4 inch ratchet with extensions, sockets, SAE, and metric. Full lifetime warranty. $69.98 right there, was $99.98. The Craftsman 51 piece gunmetal chrome standard metric set right there, guys, on sale. But look at this, for $129, that's a pretty decent price. For the 121 piece gunmetal chrome mechanics tool set, you get 3/8, 1/2 inch, and 1/4 inch ratchets. You get some wrenches, you get sockets, full-time warranty right there, SAE and metric. That is a nice deal. Not to be left behind, you've got Kobalt right here for $89.98, the 33 piece 1/2 inch drive set. Right next to that, for $42.98, you've got the Kobalt 64 piece set, and that is a 1/4 inch drive set. $39, you want something to just keep in the car just in case. $39.98 Kobalt 19 piece mechanics small tool set, 1/4 inch right there, guys. Look at that. If you need something just a bit smaller, $29.98 Kobalt 1/4 inch drive SAE and metric set right there, guys. There's a $34 set again. Look at that, guys. They've got some sales on other things right here. Now check this out, $12.98 for the Kobalt SAE and metric Allen wrench set. That's a pretty decent set, and I'll bet you they're probably a little better than the ones at Harbor Freight. I don't know if I'm wrong. Let me know in the comments. $19.98 for this little micro ratchet. Guys, I almost want to take this just because it's kind of cool. This has all the different bits that you need in a ratchet style. $34.98 for all these extensions right there from Kobalt. Kobalt's a great brand when it comes to tools. I like them. $34.98 for this 24 piece wrench set. Now this extra long set right here for $54.98. That's a 5 piece metric set. $54.98. There you go. That one's SAE and that one's metric. So a little over $100 and you get both SAE and metric big sets. All right, guys, check out this clearance right now for this impact driver, this 12-volt Skill 1/4 inch impact driver on clearance right now for $63.97. It's the one with the ring light. That's one of the things I like about Skill. It's right there, brand new box right there. I'm so tempted to take it right now. During Black Friday, there was a lot of discussion about a parts bin that was on sale for $20 the year before, and this year it was pretty expensive. Now look at this alternative, $26.98 for the organizer from Craftsman right there, the extra large organizer. Look how big this guy is. It's about 3 inches tall. It's pretty deep. Look, it has the water seal right there. It's got interchangeable bins, just like the DeWalt one. This is on sale right now at Lowe's. I think you should consider it.